Myself, R. Santosh. I have been teaching to the civil services aspirants since last 15 to 16 years. But since last 3-4 months, I have started working for the farmers. And my objective was to help the farmers in increasing their farm produce along with its quality and make the farm produce sellable at better price in the market. So with this objective, I started this farmer friend or farmer advisor role along with one of my friend Yogesh Maske, who is masters in agriculture. And being a professional industrial microbiologist, I was also inclined towards the farming. So with this objective, I started this new venture. And today, by the end of the January 2025, in last 3 months, we took around 150 plantations of variety of fruits under our management. And every day we are traveling across different parts of the country and helping them in increasing their production. Our objective or our way is to tell the farmer exactly what to do at what stage. That is very important. Because see, the farmers, they work hard. They put the required investment into the farming. But sometimes the investment goes in when? Because of the timing issues. When to do and what to do and how to do. Today we are living in modern era where science and technology is playing key role in the life of people. Now, because of the advancements into the science and technology, here in the era of globalization and technology, Indian farmers, majority of the Indian farmers, they are lagging behind largely because of the appropriate knowledge which is required for the better production. So here is one circle where Yogesh Maske sir is there, Sachin Patil is there, Govind Gowri sir is there, and Datta is there. All these are the farmers whose plantations are under our effective management, wherein we are trying to help them in increasing the farm produce. So this is one of the model plantation where we started the treatment in December, in second week of the December. Now this land or this soil is low quality soil. So, but it is suitable for the plantation, there is no doubt in it, because it requires water in more frequency. So that is why sometimes the farmers, they avoid plantation if they are not sure of the water supply. But this time the farmer is sure of the required water supply in the summer months. So today I am shooting this video largely with the objective of showing the result of our treatment, where we help farmer in better fertigation, better sprays which are required. Now as far as fertigation is concerned, if the farmer go for the standard company's fertigations, then where the quality of the fertilizers is ensured, farmer is ready to pay for it. But sometimes it happens that because of lack of information, farmer goes and buys anything of any company and got cheated. So here we are trying our level best to ensure that the farmer is buying the quality fertilizers, quality organic chemicals, to or even the growth promoting hormones, various nutrients which are deficient in the soil. For that purpose we provide them with some of the better supplements in the form of various micronutrients, particularly those whose results we are sure of, right? So in this way we are going with these activities nowadays. So I am very thankful to the Yogesh sir, who is fantastic as far as the understanding of the agriculture and very specifically the plantation is concerned. His expertise of 10-15 years is helping farmers a lot. With my management skills, we are trying our level best to help the farmers not only in increasing their productivity and production, but also helping them to get better price for their produce. Farmers is the backbone of Indian economy. Around 60 to 65% of Indian population is directly or indirectly dependent on the